Hi, welcome to Cotton and Cloud video tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to attach your purse onto a sew-on frame. Okay, so this is the purse which I made earlier, and you can see the curved part at the top of this purse, right here. And what I'm going to do is just to make sure that the top two corners are sort of visible by just pulling them out a little bit. Okay, so what you need to do is to insert the purse into the frame by matching those two corners to the corners of the purse frame like so, and then just carefully insert into the gap of the frame. Okay, so now I'm ready to sew on with an embroidery needle which is thin enough to go through the hole of the frame. Firstly, you need to insert the needle from the wrong side of the purse. So just to show you, by taking it off from the purse frame, and the best thing is to insert about 5 millimeters away from the edge. And the tip here is to insert the needle on the second hole of the frame. Okay, so keep holding on to the frame and the purse together, and insert the needle from the wrong side through the second hole. If you're using a wool yarn, try not to pull too much because the friction can tear the yarn. Okay, so now what you need to do is to insert the needle into a hole, the first hole, so one before, like that, and just very carefully pull out the needle, again 5 millimeters away from the edge. So this is the first stitch done. Okay, onto the second stitch. Insert from the wrong side, 5 millimeters away from the edge, keeping the purse well fitted into the gap of the frame. Through the third hole, and okay, then back into the second hole. Okay, so the tip here is to make sure that the line of this crochet fabric is parallel to the top straight line of the frame, and make sure that the purse is in the correct position. Okay, and you just need to continue, insert the needle onto the next hole, back into a hole one before, very carefully not to tear the yarn, and again into the next hole, and back into one before. Okay, so now I've finished sewing all the way along the frame like this. Now it looks like this. And now all I need to do is to tidy the end at the back of the frame. And to make sure that the purse is securely held onto the frame, you can use a pair of pliers and squeeze both ends by covering with a piece of waste fabric so that it won't scratch the frame. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you found it useful. Thank you very much for watching.